Who are you?
Kdo si?
How will people remember you?
Po čem se te bodo ljudje zapomnili?
Are you a loving person or are you a hated person?
Ali si ljubeča oseba ali pa tista, ki sovraži?
Many of you are looking for your purpose in life.
Mnogi izmed vas iščete namen svojega življenja.
If you saw a kid crossing the street
Če bi videl, na primer, otroka, ki prečka cesto
and you saved him,
in bi ga ti rešil
wouldn't that make you feel good?
pred nesrečo, ali se ne bi zaradi tega bolje počutil?
Yeah.
Da.
You see, every child
Veste, vsak otrok
is someone else's son.
je sin nekoga drugega.
And when you come to school,
In ko ti prideš v šolo
you're teasing someone's son.
in ti zafrkavaš sina nekoga drugega,
You're bullying them.
ti ga nadleguješ
And you don't know
in niti ne veš,
who in your school
kdo v tvoji šoli
is getting abuse at home.
je zlorabljen doma.
You don't know
Ne veš,
with your violence,
da s svojim nasiljem,
with your tactics,
s svojimi
with
taktikami
your cyberbullying,
in s tvojim spletnim nasiljem,
how many people come close to the edge?
koliko ljudi zaradi tega pride povsem do roba.